Hello and welcome to the Boomers Tech Show. I'm Bertrand. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the NWS Mobile app by setting up a meeting. Let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to tap on your NWS Mobile app. At the very bottom, you'll notice some icons. You want to tap on the icon that looks like a calendar. It is the schedule icon, the third one. As you get to this screen, you'll notice here is everything that you can schedule. The life and ministry meeting, local needs, public talks, weekend assignments, away public talks, and duties. So we're going to focus on the life and ministry meeting. So you tap on it. Now you'll notice the information that comes up will tell you the exact date and year. To choose the day that you want to schedule for, you simply tap on it. So we're going to tap on March the 2nd through the 8th, 2026. When you tap on it, you'll notice that the life and ministry meeting schedule will come up. At the very top, you have your song, then the treasure from God's Word, apply yourself to the field ministry, and as you scroll down, you'll see living as Christians. Meeting will already be assigned. You just have to put in the brothers that you want to accomplish that particular assignment. So we're going to tap on the chairman box. When you tap that person, he's going to be highlighted in yellow. And then you go to the bottom right-hand corner and you tap the check mark, and that's going to complete the assignment. Now you go back, you'll notice that Roger Williams is now the chairman. And you do that for every single assignment for this entire meeting. Now, once you've completed assigning everyone, then you want to make sure that you sync this information. In order to do that, you go down to the bottom again. This time you want to tap on the icon that looks like a little phone. Now, this is the NWP app. And this is where you send the NWP app data. At the very bottom, you notice you have send NWP app data. This is going to send the information off. You have receive NWP app data. That's going to bring the information in. And then below that, you have the NWP app persons that if you need to give some information out, like a PIN number, you can get that information from that. So you got send app data. All right. So if you had data to be sent, you will notice it would be here and you will just simply send it from this screen. Now to receive data, you tap receive and you'll notice here you got all of your information that's ready to be received. And you simply tap input. And any data that needs to be sent, you can send without notification or you can clear without sending. So to send that information and to sync it up, you would tap send with notification. And then you see data waiting to be sent, none, notification sent, none. Now this has been an overview of how you can schedule CLM talks and duties in the NWS mobile app. If you found this video to be beneficial, please give me a like, subscribe, hit that video, and comment. In the comment section, let me know, are these videos helpful? In our next video, part 2, we're tackling the weekend meeting and public talk schedule. You don't want to miss that. So hit that subscribe and the bell. Until next time, I'm Bertrand Tech Man. Keep it simple, and I'll see you in the next one.